SMCI. Nice consolidation. Look at this consolidation that SMCI is having. Keep this one on strong watch earlier tomorrow. Once it again, just like AMD, SMCI has an inside day. Once it breaks at 885, 930, and 1000, it will absolutely rage to 1000. It has been a lagger. It has been following Nvidia very closely for quite some time, and I think it's looking absolutely good here. And with the break of 885, you have to be long on SMCI. 1000 call is something that you want to keep on watch earlier in the week, and we'll probably play it. I know Fluid is in some calls for SMCI. That's how she plays. She plays a little bit more risky with swings and things like that. I can do that with a lot of positions, so I usually tend to play the break of the upper trend line. So keep that upper trend line on watch, or 885 level on watch, and once that breaks, there's a very good move, a 50-point move to the upside, and after that is a 70-point move. So almost a 120-point move after the 885 break. So keep an eye out for that on SMCI.